Hello guys, it's me Loki and welcome to Cubing with Loki. So before getting into this video, I gonna tell you a small flashback.
Flashback.
So one day I was just cubing as usual and I just felt something wrong with my cube. It's just so hard to just make a move and the cube felt more resistant in it. And suddenly a corner piece popped off. I thought it just a normal pop and I just tried to fix it, but I can't. And then I realized that wasn't a normal pop, but a break in the torpedo of a corner piece. And I thought that that's impossible to post videos on YouTube with a broken cube. And one of my friend as the speedcuber just recommended me a virtual cubing method. And he suggested me an app for virtual cubing, which will be in the link in the description. Go and check it out. So, and I thought that let's make this virtual cubing as our content till our new cube arrives.
End of flashback.
And by thanking my friend as the speedcuber, we're gonna try a cool pattern on a 5x5 cube for my friend Ash.